Hi, today I will be discussing methods of system analysis and design modeling. So once it's been established that a new project is kicking off, vendor selection has typically already occurred and the scope and goals are defined. The vendor has agreed to a contract which, in short, outlines what needs will be met, expectations, and scope. System analysis can begin with use cases. The use cases can help the vendor see what the users are doing today and what they can expect to be able to do in the future with the new system. Those expectations can help level set early analysis. So, for example, if a doctor needs to be able to see a patient's record on a cell phone at any time of the day, the vendor can see that and level set that yes, this can be done, but it must be on a health system device and it won't work on a personal device. So you can see the expectation of what the customer wants. It was defined and then clarified to help level set what the vendor is actually capable of. Use cases can also show what the priorities are, as well as help scope out future end user acceptance testing and training materials. These can also help show the roles that are involved in the project and what roles should be impacted by its go live. Use cases have a clear if-then statement with the actor clearly defined. So, for example, as a blank, I should be able to do blank in order to do blank. This is a part of early system analysis. An example of system analysis later in the project may be performing the end-to-end workflow in the system and validating the outcomes. If the outcomes do not meet passing criteria, the system can be modified and the test can be reperformed. This cycle of build, testing, repeat is an agile method for machine learning and other complex AI systems that require constant adjustment. Another example of system analysis would be stress testing and ensuring that an increase in volume is not going to impact system performance. A method of ensuring all these components line up with operational expectations is modeling. Modeling the system can help put what it does in layman's terms, and not everyone on the project will have an extremely detailed understanding of what the system can and should do technically, and not all the technical people can fully understand what the workflow must entail. So to ensure the entire team is on the same page, modeling can be used to show what the system can do. This should be done during the analysis, build, and testing phases to ensure there is still ample time to make adjustments to the system prior to training and certainly before implementation. So you can see that analysis and modeling can be integral to a project's success, and without proper analysis, you can expect misalignment between IT and operations.